Now students, let us move to the next part. Second part of question number 4. Second part means third problem of question number 4. That one is 3250. Is that clear? So in the similar way, we will put the bar and start taking out the square root. Definitely square of 5 is 25. Leftmost bar is 32. So you have to think of a number whose square is less than 32. 6 square is 36, which is bigger. So it will go by 5. 5 5s are 25. When you subtract 32 minus 25, you will get 7. Take down the next bar, that is 750. Double the divisor, 5 plus 5, 10. To the left of 10, put a blank. Now, if we will put in this blank digit 5, then it should be, the number will be 105 and it should be multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 2, 5 ones are 5. It's 2 smaller than 750. So, let us move to 7. Okay, 7 sevens are 49, carry over 4. 7 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4, 7 ones are 7. See, it is very nearer to 750. So, how many times it will go? 7 times. Okay. So, 107 sevens are 749. What is the difference? 1. So, what does it shows? It shows that square of 57 is less than 3250 by 1. So, subtract 1 from 3250. So, 3250 minus 1, it means 3249. Is that clear? And what is the square root of 3249? Definitely when you will subtract it, square will be 57. One more time I can explain you how you will get. Put the bar. See, 5 5s are 25, 749. Similar way. But instead of 3250, after subtracting, it becomes 3249. Double the divisor. Put a blank on the right of 10 and it will go 7 times. That is 749. So what will be the answer? That square root of 3249 is 57. And what is the smallest number? Smallest number to be subtracted is 1. Okay. Now, let us move to question number 5. What is question number 5? It is just opposite to question number 4. Find the least number which must be added. Now this time we have to find out the smallest number which to be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So here also I am going to take second and third part. Second part is 1750. Okay, you have to, it is not a perfect square it is given, and you have to find which is the smallest digit number to be added to this number so that it becomes a perfect square. So first start putting the bar and let us find out the square root. What is the leftmost part? 17. Find the number whose square is less than 17. Very clear. 4 4s are 16. So 17 minus 16, 1. Take down the next one. 150. Add up the divisor. 4 plus 4, 8. Now, as in the case of division, we try to find out a number which is less than 150, isn't it? But now, in this case, we will try to find out the number which is nearest to 150, but it should be more than 150, not less than 150. A number which is closest to 150, but it should be more than 150. For example, if it is at the fill up, you are going to put 2. Is that clear? I will multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. See, 164 is greater than 150. If we are going to put 1 at this fill up, then 81s are 81, 1s are 81, which is a smaller. But in this question, when you have to find out the number which must be added, in that case, we will find out the number which is more than 150, nearest number more than 150. So it will go 2 times, isn't it? It is 164. Now in the rough, or you can put here 164 minus 150 is how much? 14, isn't it? How much? 164 minus 150 is 14. So as 1750, you know that it is not a perfect square. What does it shows? It shows that square of 42 is less than 1750, isn't it? It will be less than 1750. Sorry, it will be greater than 1750. Okay. So how much to be added? Now we will add 14. 14 to be added to 1750. Is that clear? When you will add, then what it will become? It will become 1764. Okay. Now you try to find out the square root as you have done just now. Similar way, 4 4s are 16. Okay. 1. Next number is 64. Double the divisor in the same manner. And how many times it will go? 2 times. See, square of 42 is greater than 1750. So when you will subtract it, here you will get 0, remainder 0. It means it is now it is a perfect square. So what answer you are going to write? You are going to write that square of 1764 is 42. And how much to be added? 14 is the smallest number to be added. Okay. Now the third problem. Third problem is 252. The third problem which is given is 252. Start putting the bar. Okay. 2. What is the square of which is the square of which number is less than 2? Very easy. Square of 1. Subtract it. 1. 2 minus 1. 1. Take down the another bar. Down. It contains 2 digits. 5 2. So now what is your dividend? 152. So now 2 times. Put a LUP over here. Now let us see which number should I put over here. Let us try with 4. 24 4s are. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. It's very smaller. So let us move to, it should be bigger than 152. So let us try with 7. Okay. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18. 189. But maybe the difference is more. So just try once again with 6. At this fill up, let us take the digit 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 carry over 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. See which is nearest? 156 is nearest to 152 and it is greater also. So how many times? 6 times. So 6 times it will be 156. So what does it shows? It shows that square of 16 is greater than 252. So what we will do? We will just subtract 156 minus 152. How much? 4. So how much to be added? 4 to be added to 252. When you will add 4, okay. So 252 plus 4, it is 256. Now I start finding the square root of 256. It is 1 1s are 1. Okay, double the divisor. 1 ones are 1. Subtracted. Now just double the divisor. 1 plus 1, 2.